guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable advanced host options in Steam. So guys, when you have advanced host options, there are multiple things that you can do in Steam. So just go ahead and open your settings first. So the first step is just open the app and make sure you're logged in, and after that just go ahead and tap on Steam right at the top and tap on preferences. And after that, all you need to do is find remote play. So it should be between voice and broadcast. Just go ahead and tap there, and all you need to do is find advanced host options. So it should be right under advanced streaming options. So just go ahead and tap on this button to enable it. Now you can see many other host options. So there are options like play audio and host, desktop resolution to match streaming client, enable hard encoding, and many more. So it's completely your choice on what you want to do, and in this way you can successfully enable advanced host options. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.